Welcome to the robot factory. Inside the factory lives a tiny worker robot. The worker doesn't come out until the factory tells it to. When the factory starts working, the little robot jumps out and says, "Working." Yep, even robots have robots. This robot has a strange habit. When you ask it to count down, it asks another copy of itself to help. 3 asks 2. 2 asks 1. 1 asks 0. And when 0 arrives, rocket blast off. It's like a chain of robot twins helping each other. Nobody is allowed to leave yet. Robot 3 waits for Robot 2. Robot 2 waits for Robot 1. Robot 1 waits for Robot 0. When the smallest job is finished, the robots leave one by one. It's like waiting in line for a giant banana roller coaster. This robot is very small. So small it fits on one line. You give it a number, it quickly does the job and hands back the answer. No speeches, no coffee breaks, just zoom and done. This manager robot is feeling lazy. Instead of doing the work itself, it hires another robot. "Hey, worker robot, go say hello." The worker robot runs off and shouts, "Hello." Sometimes robots outsource their jobs too. This robot already knows how to jump, but today, it found a superhero costume. The costume adds extra powers. Now before every jump, it shouts, "Superhero power up." The robot didn't change. It just got an awesome upgrade. This factory is very clever. It doesn't make all the bananas at once. It makes one banana, then another banana, then another banana. Only when someone asks for one. Less work, less memory, more bananas. Everybody wins. Welcome to Function City. Every mission starts here. Alex arrives with a backpack full of random stuff. Maps, bananas, keys, and somehow, a giant laser sword. The sorting robots get to work. Player goes here. Level goes there. Extra items in this box. Stats in the big computer. Everything is organized automatically. The control screen flashes. Party popper, mission ready. And Function City saves the day again. Functions are reusable workers. Parameters are empty boxes waiting for information. Arguments are the real things we put inside. Return sends results back home. *args collects lots of extra items. **kwargs collects named information. Recursion is a function talking to itself. Lambda is a tiny, speedy function. Decorator is a superhero upgrade. Generator creates values one at a time. And together, they keep Function City running smoothly. Now go build some amazing Python robots.